First, remove the rear storage bag from the folded wagon. Remove all of the bagged parts from the wagon body. To install the rear brake, line up the L and R on the brake with the L and R on the frame of the wagon. Push the knob on the right side into the opening on the frame. Press the right side of the brake into the frame. You will hear a click when it is in place. Repeat on the left side. Rotate the brake up and make sure the holes on the brake are aligned with the holes on the frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, screw in an M6 by 40 bolt on the right and left side of the brake. Next, take the rear axle and slide it through the holes in the frame. Align the notch on the axle with the opening on the frame. The rear wheels are side-specific. Match the R on the wheel with the R on the frame and the L on the wheel with the L on the frame. Slide the wheels onto the axle. The R and L stickers will be facing inward when in the proper orientation. Add a washer to the axle and then a lock nut. Using the provided tool, tighten the lock nut until it is secured on the axle. Repeat for both rear wheels. Snap the red wheel covers in place over the lock nut on both rear wheels. You will hear an audible snap when they are secured in place. Next, take the front wheels. Leave the rubber washer on the base of each front wheel. Slide a metal washer onto each axle. The front wheels are side-specific. Make sure the R on the wheel matches the R on the wagon frame. Slide the front wheels into the frame. Next, slide the felt washer followed by the metal washer over the front caster stem. Secure in place with an M6 by 10 screw. Repeat on each side. Snap the black cover onto the front wheel caster. You will hear an audible snap when it is securely in place. Next, install the pull handle. Align the holes on the handle bracket with the holes on the frame of the wagon. Raise the handle and push the bolts through the base of the handle and into the frame. Place a washer on each bolt and tighten the lock nut using the provided tool. Place the wagon upright and unfold it. Push down on the center of the wagon until the locking mechanism snaps in place. Set the wagon on its side. Secure the Velcro strap over the central frame bar. Note that this strap should be attached while using the wagon and will then need to be detached prior to folding the wagon. Set the wagon upright. To attach the canopy, press the buttons on the canopy housings to extend the canopy poles, pulling up from the frame. Unroll the canopy fabric and snap each tab into the canopy poles. We recommend snapping one side into place and unrolling the fabric to the other side. Attach the rear storage bag by lining up the grommets on the bag with the pegs on the wagon frame. Push on the grommets from the top down to snap the bag in place. To use the push handle, press the light gray buttons to raise the rear push bar to the height of your choice. To use the pull handle, push in the light gray button and pull up on the T-bar. You will hear it click into place. Tap the lever at the base with your foot to unlock the handle for use. You are now ready to roll.